Hello everyone, my name is Ronnie and I'm gonna make my recipe about my favorite dinner, that is scrambled eggs. What I need, the ingredient what I need is all of this. I need this bowl, this brush for the oil, a half or a little bit of onions, 3 eggs, my favorite part, a little bit pepper, a salt, and the healthy oil, that is extra virgin coconut oils. Other thing that I need is my stuff and these frying pans. Okay. Go. So this is my chop of onion that I cut right now, and I'm gonna crack the 3 eggs in that boil. So gonna be fast. 1 egg, 2 eggs, and 3 eggs. So I'm going to add a little bit pepper. That's okay for me. A little bit salt. And I fire the stuff, so I want to add some oil. Just a little bit, to be healthy. That's okay. So with this brush, I'm gonna melt this. Okay. It's hot. It's very hot. Now I'm going to mix this. I'm going to add the shot of oil in the pan, fried pan. Okay, I will let them for 2 minutes or 1 minute is the pan, the fire, and I'm going to mix this, the pepper, the salt, and the eggs. Now I'm going to add this mixture, this mix. There we go. This is all I need. Come here. This is part of the scrambled egg. Look at this, look at this. This is amazing. This is my dinner for today.